If you're tired of the complexity and stress that comes with taxes, this video is for you. Let me walk you through how I simplified my entire tax strategy by using a few key apps and why this approach might save you both time and money. I'll also be sharing something that's going to completely change the way you think about tax apps, and trust me, it's not something you'll find in the sponsored recommendations most people push. Now, before we dive in, I want to give you one reason to stick around till the end. There's a tax strategy I discovered that combines automation with smart app usage, and it's been a game changer for me. You won't want to miss it. So let's start with the apps that have truly made the biggest difference. The first one I want to talk about is QuickBooks Self-Employed. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard about QuickBooks 1,000 times, but hear me out. For freelancers and small business owners, this app simplifies your taxes by automatically tracking mileage, expenses, and income. What sets it apart is how it helps you separate business from personal expenses in a way that's actually usable when tax season rolls around. You can connect your bank accounts, set up categories for your expenses, and QuickBooks will track it for you. It even generates the quarterly tax estimates. For a lot of people, the fear around taxes comes from not knowing what you owe until it's too late. With QuickBooks, I can track my earnings and expenses in real time, and this gives me clarity throughout the year. I don't have to wait for a professional to tell me how much I owe at the end of the year. I already know. That alone takes a massive weight off my shoulders. Next up is TaxSlayer, an underrated app that simplifies filing taxes if you're doing it yourself. It's super intuitive and offers a step-by-step guide through the whole filing process. I've tried almost every major tax software out there, but TaxSlayer is incredibly fast, and it really comes in handy if you're just filing for personal taxes or want to handle a straightforward return. What I love most is how it's built to give you the tax deductions you're actually eligible for without the fluff, and it's not pushing affiliate links for financial products. It's clean, straightforward, and gets the job done. But here's the kicker. While these apps do an amazing job of simplifying tax filing, there's something you should be paying close attention to. Now, most apps on the market are good at helping you save money and time, but they don't always show you the bigger picture. And by bigger picture, I mean understanding your tax strategy over the long term. This is where the tax planning app comes in. I've found that simply filing taxes isn't enough. To really leverage your financial situation, you need an app that can project future tax liabilities based on your current spending habits, investment choices, and income trends. With this tool, I can see how changes to my income might affect my taxes next year, allowing me to take proactive measures now, like adjusting deductions or deferring income. This type of planning helps me avoid surprises. It's like having a financial advisor who's always in your pocket. And here's the best part. It's something most people don't even realize exists. The last tool I use, and the one that honestly gets the most underrated praise, is Mint. Now, Mint isn't technically a tax tool, but it's been invaluable for keeping track of every financial move I make. The beauty of Mint is that it pulls in data from all your accounts, bank, credit cards, and even loans, and categorizes them in a way that makes tax time a breeze. The insights Mint gives me also help me see where I can reduce spending or boost savings, which directly impacts my taxable income. The more control I have over my finances during the year, the less I have to worry when tax time rolls around. What all these apps have in common is that they give you control. Control over your finances, control over your deductions, and most importantly, control over your taxes. They turn a stressful process into a manageable one. And the best part? None of them rely on affiliate commissions to push you into signing up for something that's not right for you. These are genuine tools I've found that work, and I'm not incentivized to tell you that. So if you want to build a solid tax strategy without paying an arm and a leg for financial advice, these apps are the ones that helped me streamline the entire process. The strategy is all about putting the power in your hands. No more guessing or scrambling around during tax season. If you got value from this video and want more honest, non-sponsored advice that actually helps you out, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. I'm here to share what works, without all the hidden agendas.